Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today we're going to be doing 4-ingredient ribs. I was trying to make it 3 ingredients, but as I was watching back the footage, I used 4, so oh well. And for the sake of the video, I do not count salt and pepper, so whatever. The first thing I'm going in with is some barbecue sauce, and honestly just use whatever is your favorite barbecue sauce. And then I went in with some red wine. I used Cabernet Sauvignon. And I'm just going to use about 2 tablespoons, put it inside of the barbecue sauce bottle, and then shake it like a Polaroid picture. And then we're going to add that right back into the measuring cup with the barbecue sauce. I really just did this to clean the bottle. I never intended to put wine into this recipe. And then I went in with some honey sriracha sauce, which I guess I could have made myself, but oh well. Then it would have been even more than 4 ingredients. And then lastly, I went in with some apricot jam, and I just used half the jar. And then I combined all these ingredients together, just mixing it with a spoon. Pretty self-explanatory. Then I moved on to my ribs. So these ribs are pork, and they are very long, as you can see. And to assist with the cooking process, I just cut them in half. Just basically feel between 2 bones and then cut right down the middle for each set of ribs. And then I just went ahead and seasoned both sides with some salt and pepper. And let's just zoom on through because we also know how to season. And honestly, just season as much as you feel is correct and to your taste. And then I'm going to put all the ribs into my slow cooker. And I try to keep the thicker part on the bottom because this helped it stand a little better. And then I went ahead and did that with all of the ribs. And then we can move on to putting the barbecue sauce on it. I used about 2/3 of the barbecue sauce that I had. And then go ahead and get your hands dirty and mix it all around and make sure all your ribs are nicely coated. And once your hands are sufficiently dirty, wash them and then put the lid on your crock pot. And we're going to set the timer. We're either going to do 4 hours on high or 8 on low. And now you can say, oh, why hello there, because your ribs are done. And we're going to transfer all of those to a baking sheet lined with tin foil, and we're going to lay them all flat. And as you can see, I kind of messed up the first one trying to figure out how to put them down. But after that, I got it, because as you can see, the next 2 look fine. And then I'm going to use half of the remaining barbecue sauce to add another coat to our ribs. And then we're going to put them in the oven at broil for 5 minutes. Make sure to watch very carefully. It will get away from you. And then you got your finished product. You have the leftover barbecue sauce for dipping, and they were pretty darn tasty if I do say so myself. Anyways guys, I hope you like this video. Leave your suggestions, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!